Hi, my name is Doreen and I'm a second year adult nursing student at the University of Huddersfield. I chose to study adult nursing because as a child I got exposed to healthcare really early. I grew up around health professionals, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and I also came across nurses who were really kind and nurturing and compassionate, so it was easy for me to pick that course. Huddersfield has a good rating in terms of student life and also is affordable for students, and so I picked Huddersfield. This course has developed my communication and clinical skills. I've been able to attend placements where I get to hand over patients to members of the MDT, so the doctors, the pharmacists, and also I've been able to practice cannulation, NG tube feeding. Another skill I've been able to develop is cultural adaptability, so I meet patients from different walks of life and I'm able to adapt the care which I provide for them so they feel welcomed. We've got a state-of-the-art Daphne Still building where healthcare professional students have their lectures and experience their learning. We have high and low skills lab where I get to practice my clinical skills, practicing ATE assessment of patients because these simulate real life scenarios for me. I would rate the quality of teaching at Huddersfield as excellent, and that's because the lecturers are friendly and easily approachable. They're willing to teach you and explain to you if you do not understand anything. The lecturers in my course have a background in nursing. This is advantageous because as a student, I get to learn from their experiences and their expertise plays a major role in the delivery of my course.